Please take a look at the final version 1.1, with custom ribbon tab and 2 buttons, one to open the UI and another to synchronize the building blocks. Here's what you need to do: copy this template and open the startup folder. Paste at this location. By doing so, the custom ribbon should be visible in all of your Word documents. Once that's set up, return to the templates folder. Make sure to right-click and choose Open if you want to make changes in the document or the building blocks. As you can see, this template includes the custom buttons. The UI button dynamically reads Extract all the content and allows you to select and submit. You can use this document as default template, since it has all the pass options selected. Now, switching to another template, same button can be seen here as well. I'll send you both templates so you can place them in the templates folder with default options already selected. If you want to update or create a new building block, just open the template by right-click. Create a content folder. It's just a single image, for example a signature. Select only the image, avoid selecting extra paragraph markers before or after it. Once your changes are made, press the Synchronize button. This will automatically copy the updated building blocks to all other templates in the folder, one by one. Let me know if everything works smoothly on your end.